I spent hours scrolling through YouTube and analyzed hundreds of viral thumbnails. I noticed that there were 12 thumbnail formats that kept appearing repeatedly across every niche. In this video, we'll break down each format, look at examples, and most importantly, understand the psychology behind why they work. Don't skip this video, because even a 1% increase in your CTR, click-through rate, can determine whether your video gets 100 views or 100,000 views. So instead of creating a random thumbnail for your next video, use a proven thumbnail format that will definitely get you more clicks. Format number 1. The 3-panel collage. In this format, the thumbnail is divided vertically into 3 panels, with a central piece of text. For example, take the video, The Perfect Morning Habits, backed by science. These 3 images together represent a complete morning routine. Why does this format work? Because you're communicating multiple ideas in a single thumbnail without making it look overcrowded. Different viewers may relate to different images,